Spotify may seem easy to use, but finding the repeat option for a single song can be a bit tricky. A lot of people miss it or don't even realize it's there. The good news? It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you how to put a song on repeat in Spotify, quick and simple. Let's get started. A mobile phone. If you're using Spotify on your mobile device, open up the app on your phone and start playing a song you want to repeat. Tap the playback bar at the bottom of the screen to open the song in full screen mode. After that, locate the repeat icon in the media controls. It looks like an arrow rotating clockwise besides play forward button. Tap on it, and you'll notice that the button turns green with a dot below. By tapping it once, you enable the repeat feature for the entire album or playlist. If you're listening to one, but if you only want to repeat the current song, just tap the repeat button once more, and the small one will appear at the top of the green rotating arrow. This indicates that your selected song is now on repeat. Now, on the desktop version of Spotify, open the Spotify desktop app or web player and find the song you'd like to put on repeat. Stop playing it, and you'll see the media controls at the bottom playback bar. Look for the repeat button in the media controls. It looks like the arrow is rotating clockwise. Tap it once, and it will turn green with a dot underneath. This setting will replay all the songs in the album or playlist you're listening to. Tap again, and you'll see small one appearing on top of the green rotating arrow. That's the sign that your chosen song is now on repeat. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, give it a like. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.